Hi there, I'm Vikrama and you're watching Grammar Master YouTube channel.
Be verbs am, is, are, was, were, will be. You will be able to learn how to make sentences, questions, and answers with be verbs. There are 8 be verbs in English. They are am, is, are, was, were, be, being, been. The be verbs are placed under the category of primary auxiliary verbs, so they can perform not only as helping verbs but also as main verbs of the sentences. In this video, we are learning how the be verbs perform as main verbs of the sentences. This is how the be verbs are used in present, past, and future times. We use am, is, are in present time, was, were in past time, will be in future time. Subject verb agreement of be verbs. We use am with I. We use is with he, she, it, and singular nouns. We use are with we, you, they, and plural nouns. We can use was with I, he, she, it, and singular nouns. We use were with we, you, they, and plural nouns. We can use will be with all nouns and pronouns. The structure of affirmative sentences with be verbs. When we make a sentence with a be verb, the subject must be placed at first. Then we can place the be verb. After the be verb, there must be a complement. Otherwise, the sentence is not completed. It will not give a complete idea. The complement may be a word or a phrase. It completes the sentence. It can be an adjective, a noun phrase, a prepositional phrase, or an adverbial phrase. If you use an adjective as the complement, the structure should be like this. First the subject, then the be verb, finally the adjective. The complement is an adjective in these sentences. Examples: I am tall. My mother is kind. Their frocks are beautiful. We will be rich. The adjectives are underlined. If we use a noun phrase as the complement of the sentence, the structure is first the subject, then the be verb, finally there should be the noun phrase. The complement is a noun phrase in these sentences, in which the keyword is a noun. The keywords are underlined. Examples: I am a tall boy. My mother is a kind lady. They are beautiful frocks. We will be rich people. When we use a prepositional phrase as the complement, the structure of the sentence should be as the following. First the subject, second the be verb, finally the prepositional phrase. The complement is a prepositional phrase here, in which the keyword is a preposition. They are underlined. Examples: I am at the gate. My mother is in the kitchen. The keys are on the table. If you want to use an adverbial phrase as the complement with a be verb, the structure of the sentence should be like this. First you have to place the subject, then the be verb, finally the adverbial phrase. The complement can be an adverbial phrase too, in which the keyword is an adverb. Adverbs are underlined. Examples: I am here. My mother is there. Questions with be verbs. It is very easy to make questions with be verbs. You have to make a slight change in the structure of the sentence to turn it to a question. You have to place the be verb as the first word of the question, then the subject, finally the complement. Examples: Are you Roy? Is your mother kind? Was he here? Will I be rich? As you can see here, the last sentence is quite different from others. It is because the word will act as a helping verb, so we take it to the front of the sentence. And the word be act as a main verb, it remains in the middle of the sentence. Now let's learn the negative forms of be verbs and their contractions. Am not, I'm not. Is not, isn't. Are not, aren't. Was not, wasn't. Were not, weren't. Will be, will not be, won't be. Negative sentences with be verbs. In English, we use the adverb not to turn the affirmative sentences into negative sentences. Then the structure of the sentence should be like this: subject, be verb, not, complement. The adverb not should be used after the be verb, but in future time, not is used between will and be. Examples: I am not weak. My mother is not here. He was not at the office. The dress will not be expensive.
Negative questions with be verbs. You can easily make negative questions by using be verbs according to the following structure. You should use the negative form of the be verb at first. Then you can place the subject. Finally, you can place the complement. Examples: Aren't you Roy? Isn't your mother kind? Wasn't he at the office? Weren't they your books? But if you want to make a negative question with am, the structure is quite different from others. It should be like this. You should first place the be verb am, then I, next not, next be, finally the complement. Examples: Am I not handsome? Am I not smart? Won't be is also used in a different way in negative questions. As you can see here, won't should be used at first, then the subject, after that the verb be, finally the complement. Examples: Won't I be rich? Won't they be my friends? Answers for the questions with be verbs. If you are asked a question starting with a be verb, you should start your answer with the words yes or no. So they are called yes or no questions. Examples: Are you Roy? No, I'm not Roy, I'm Alex. Is your mother kind? Yes, she is kind. Am I handsome? Yes, you are handsome. Was he at the office? No, he was not there. Will I be rich? Yes, you will be rich. Activity: use the list of words and phrases given in the post on Grammar Master Facebook page. Make your own sentences and send them to our Facebook page as a message or a post. We will check them and send you a feedback soon. Try to use be verbs in your day-to-day life. Please let us know your ideas about our lessons. Use the comment section below or send them to our Facebook page. Thank you for watching. This video is made for Grammar Master YouTube channel by Vikrama Harishchandra.